Moya Financial is a new credit union that's been over 60 years in the making. Moya's mission is to deliver innovative and competitive financial services to help our members achieve their financial goals. Our strong and loyal membership base is a result of over 6 decades of service to the Southern Ontario Slovenian community. Moya is a financial institution with a difference between online banking, an all-new ATM on site, a great mobile app for your phone or tablet. Moya Financial has your banking needs covered safely and securely. And the professionals at Moya are always just a phone call away. As an Ontario credit union, we are member-owned and member-focused. We are anchored in our purpose and community. We value connecting with each member personally in whatever way works best for the individual, whether in person at our branches, on our website, or through social media. We offer sound financial management principles, products, and advice in a personalized, relationship-driven environment, the basis of our success for so many years. We are small enough to know each member by name, yet big enough to provide financial products and services on par with larger financial institutions.
We know it's important to you that Moya Financial continues to be strong. We know it's important to you that Moya Financial continues to grow. And we know that Moya Financial's commitment to our community is also important to you. It's important to us too.
So for anyone who's looking for a no-fee alternative to the big banks and wants to feel like more than a number when they deal with their financial institution, learn more and visit us at moyafinancial.ca.